Hi, welcome to STFULFILL. I'm Estelle from STFULFILL team. In this video, I will show you how to register accounts, connect your store, and sync your orders. And I will also walk you through all the process step by step. This guide is especially helpful for e-commerce and dropshipping sellers who want to manage sourcing, order processing, and fulfillment from China more efficiently.
Step 1. Open the sign up link provided by your STFULFILL marketer or partner. This link will take you directly to the registration page. Step 2. Fill in your account information. Enter your full name, email address, phone number, and create a secure password. Please make sure your email and phone number are correct, as they may be used for account communication and order support. Then select your own language. For the manage code, you can enter the code provided by your STFULFILL contact. If you don't have a customer manage code, you can contact your STFULFILL customer manage to inquire. It doesn't matter if you don't fit in. After completing the form, read and agree the user registration agreement and the privacy policy. Then click Sign Up to create your STFULFILL account.
Once your registration is complete, you will be redirected to the store connection page. Now you can connect your online store directly to the STFULFILL system. STFULFILL system supports multiple e-commerce platforms, including Shopify, WooCommerce, Amazon, eBay, TikTok, Shopee, more and more. Now let's see how to connect your online store to the STFULFILL system.
Step 1. Go to the store management. On the store management page, you will see different e-commerce platforms that STFULFILL supports. You can connect platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce, Amazon, Shopee, TikTok, and more. Step 2. Choose your e-commerce platform. In this example, we will connect a Shopify store. Click the Shopify button on the right side. After clicking Shopify, you will be redirected to the Shopify App Store page for the STFULFILL app. Here, click In-Store. Shopify will ask you to authorize the STFULFILL app. Please review the access request, then click In-Store again to confirm the connection. Please wait a few seconds while system completes the connection. Once the process is finished, you will be redirected back to the STFULFILL system. Now go back to the store management page. If you see the connected store list here with a successful icon, it means your Shopify store has been successfully connected to STFULFILL.
That's it. You have already connected your online store to STFULFILL. Now let's talk about order synchronization. Many sellers ask us, after I connected my online store to our system, will my store orders automatically sync to the system? The answer is yes. After your online store is connected to our system, all the new orders will automatically sync to our system. Our system checks your connected store and pulls new orders once an hour. This means when a customer places a new orders in your online store, the orders will automatically imported to our STFULFILL system.
Step 1. Go to the orders page. If you want to speed up the synchronization process, you can manually trigger it. On the orders page, find the Sync Order button on the right side. Step 2. Click Sync Order. After connecting to our system, it will automatically retrieve your orders from 7 days prior to registration. If you need to sync more orders, you can manually retrieve 15 days, 30 days, 60 days. You can choose one, then confirm. After clicking the button, the system will create an immediate synchronization task. This helps update your order list faster instead of waiting for the next automatical hourly sync.
So, in short, after your online store is connected to STFULFILL, all the new orders will automatically sync to our system once an hour. If you need faster synchronization, simply go to Orders page and click Sync Order manually. This makes your processing faster, easier, and more efficient for your fulfillment workflow.